There's your birthday bag. There's your birthday bag. Here. We got treats. Oh my goodness, yes. Okay, duck biscuits. Oh no, salmon biscuits, sorry.
Holy hell.
Salmon and biscuits. And you got little Nutrident sticks so your breath doesn't smell bad. Okay. What else you got?
I know. I used to use dog food as a kid.
What else is there? Oh, we have a new leash. I know that isn't much fun, but it is for me. Okay, let's put your hat back. Okay. We got canned food. We got canned food. Okay. We got bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits. Oh, yes. Oh. Look, Uncle Scott got you this? Yeah, I know. And Uncle Scott got you this? Oh, look. I don't remember where it squeaks anymore. Okay. And then, oh yes, he got you these balls. Oh my goodness!